up with the teams and
All right.
extracurricular stuff.
Yeah.
All right. I'm gonna just start from the jump. Welcome to the podcast, your boy OG Jake. Got Kenny,
What up? What up? What up?
Chopper Lottie Dottie in the building.
Yo.
Let's jump it out with these sports, man. See
Let's get it.
sports today, baby. Hey, first off, congratulations to the champs, the world champs. I know it's been a long time coming. We haven't talked about it yet. But my boys is the champs, man. Two times in 5 years, two-time champs. We done been 4 times in the last 5 years. Hey, we doing our thing. Jeremy Pena, Rookie of the Year. Then he won the MVP of the American League. Then he won the MVP of the playoffs. Hey, that boy did some historic things, man. A lot of people can't say they did that. Pena did. Pena did his thing. And we got Verlander out here opting out the contract. So either he wants some more money. Hold on, let me let the shout nigga in. Yeah. So either he wants some more money, or he gonna be trying to see if the Astros can, you know what I'm saying, get to that 35 million a year.
Man, fuck Verlander.
Y'all think he need to ride? You think they need to try to get him back, Chop?
Man,
he just opted out like 2 days ago.
Yeah, obviously we don't really need that boy.
Blue.
Who opted out? Verlander.
Justin Verlander.
Yeah, it'll be all right. We ain't finna pay. I mean, we're not finna pay him no 3-year deal for all that money, man. He that old. He'll be all right.
You don't think he worked 3 years?
Nah. He got too many playoff problems.
But he got a Cy Young this year.
I don't mean shit. We the best.
Well, he ain't got it yet, but everybody predict that he gonna win it. Oh, that don't mean you the best pitcher in the league when you win that Cy Young, bro?
Yeah, that's what that means. But shoot, when they count, Verlander got World Series problems, man.
He got him one this year, brother. We got him a game this year.
Man. It wasn't because of him. We're not gonna do no 3 years. It wasn't because of Verlander.
That particular game 5. Hey, I think it was. No, we talking about.
So what you're saying is, Jake, he didn't show up until game 5.
Well, he showed up all season. He just ain't show up in the playoffs till game 5.
See, but the difference is, again, that nigga did that shit again. It ain't like it's his first time.
Yeah, he did that in 2017.
That's his whole career.
He didn't play for 2 years. I think 2020 and 2021, he didn't play. This was his first full season actually playing this year. So yeah, he got a lot of things dangling over him. But all I can go with is what's going on now. He won. He's predicted to win the Cy Young Award, and he played the whole year this past year. Now, prior to
that, on Jakey awards and shit.
You gotta speak fact. What you mean awards?
Yeah, you right. That's a participation trophy, man. Man. We good.
I think he won 25 out of 30 games this year, brother. Yeah, how many pitchers did that?
Why would we do that? We just gave up Carrera for goddamn Pena, cheaper to keep her. We got plenty pitchers.
Hey, ain't nobody think Pena was gonna pan out like this. Pena is a beast. Ain't nobody think that nigga was gonna be that. Yeah, ain't nobody think he was gonna do that in his first year.
Yeah, they figured.
Well, yeah, of course, Chop. We talking about us.
They figured it out. Nah, I'm talking about the Astros. Astros knew that boy was gonna be the business.
Come on, Chop. This man won every award. Ain't no rookie done what Pena did this year, man. Like ever.
Man.
Pena, man. I'm glad they got him because that boy. Yeah. And then I understand y'all on the other because we got a lot of pitchers. Our team is based off our bullpen of pitchers. So we do got a lot of young niggas. We got Farmar. We got what's that boy? Christian Happy from whatever Diaz. You know his name, nigga. Then we got we got Javier Christian Javier. That boy a beast. He pitched a no-hitter. And then we got what his name, bro? Abril. We got Abril.
Abril, who the hell is that?
Nah, you pronouncing the shit wrong, Jake. Nah.
His name is Abril. Abrea, nigga. Abril.
You talking about a pitcher or a batter?
Oh, pitcher.
Pitcher.
You talking about Alvarado?
Nah, I know Alvarado.
Oh, Alvarez?
Alvarez a hitter, buddy.
Yeah, that's Jordan. Who you talking about?
Abril, nigga. Hey, I'm gonna spell his name. Abril, Abre.
Jake, you pronouncing that shit right, Jake?
Well, that's
that shit, Jakey.
That's what old boy on the announcing thing be saying. Abril.
You can't go off of that. They don't be knowing them niggas' name.
You got to know his nigga's name, man. He broadcasted live all over the United States. What you talking about?
Oh, okay.
And what's in the pressure? What's his name, brother? You know that one.
Pleasure P.
Yeah.
His name is Pleasure. Kenny, why you over there laughing?
Oh, my bad, dude.
That's his name.
Hey.
So we got pitchers, man, and we still got Lance McCullers, even though he gave up 5 home runs in the World Series.
Hey, but now I also like him though. I like him.
Yeah, that was one bad game. He ain't never did that in the regular season. Give up that many.
I like him.
That was just one of them bad games on Lance McCullers' Jr., man.
That was a sacrifice game.
Yeah.
Yeah, sacrifice that game.
We had to sacrifice a 5 home runs, Chop.
Yep. Look where we at.
He said, yep.
Look where we at, Jake. You had to make it exciting. You remember?
Nah, that's what gave them that extra game.
I don't know if you remember, if you old enough though, Jake. You the Bulls used to make niggas go to 7-game series instead of sweeping just to make the playoffs.
Right, because you need more money too. More games, more